it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Today we're with 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, yeah, man. Connect Live himself and Slingerz with the undo button. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 and Slingerz with undo button. So I'm going to jump in the one and see what 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 has said and where I go with them, man. Big up on the set. Let's go. We got a production team also. Let's get it.
This shocking video captures the moment when missing 11-year-old Adriana Young was found lifeless in a pool at Doubleday
Oh, so this is what going in a Guyana, right?
Hotel in Tushen, East Bank, 𝐬𝐻𝐻𝐻, Guyana. Reports indicate that Young disappeared around 1:30 p.m. on Wednesday while swimming with her family. Her relatives claim that the hotel owner and staff were reluctant to assist in their search efforts.
Yo, one thing with 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 is a true musician. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 is a true fucking musician, bro. Like, this is a tragic news where forward out Guyana, and Philly G put this even in our intro, and hopefully I go sing about it now or sing about relatable stuff. Oh my God, 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 different, bro.
This shocking video captures the moment when missing 11-year-old Adriana Young was found lifeless in a pool at Doubleday Hotel in Tushen, East Bank, 𝐬𝐻𝐻𝐻, Guyana. Reports indicate that Young disappeared around 1:30 p.m. on Wednesday while swimming with her family. Her relatives claim that the hotel owner and staff were...
Watch it, B Street vibes the G have. Fever, ramping stuff, electric, unstoppable. Yes, man.
reluctant to assist in their search efforts.
Alright, watch it now. Matic in the hand. Matic pan Bible.
Hotel owner and staff were reluctant to assist in their search efforts.
Slingerz, wish life have undo, but you one of things gone. What we wish never happen, you one of thugs gone. Enough gone. Hear me now. Wish life have undo, but you one of things gone. What we wish never happen, you one of thugs pass. Travel a rough part, but Jaja give me strength for me continue walk. Tell him thanks with the psalms. The little spotlight couldn't cancel the dark. I wish I could undo the part.
This shocking video captures the moment when missing 11-year-old Adriana Young was found lifeless in a pool at Doubleday Hotel in Tushen, East Bank, 𝐬𝐻𝐻𝐻, Guyana. Reports indicate that Young disappeared around 1:30 p.m. on Wednesday while swimming with her family. Her relatives claim that the hotel owner and staff were reluctant to assist in their search efforts.
Yo, Slingerz.
Wish life have undo, but you one of things gone. What we wish never happen, you one of thugs gone. Enough gone. Hear me now. Wish life have undo, but you one of things gone. What we wish never happen, you one of thugs pass. Travel a rough part, but Jaja give me strength for me continue walk. Tell him thanks with the psalms. The little spotlight couldn't cancel the dark. I wish I could undo the past, but the memories undo my back.
Hold on, man. Go back and give us a second. Hold on.
The little spotlight couldn't cancel the dark.
The little spotlight couldn't cancel the dark. So him tell the writer said the little spotlight where him have a shine upon him, the fame and couldn't cancel him dark, him pass. You see me? Still I hurt inside. Still not trust nobody. Still I walk with him matic. Still I do everything he used to do before. Him just famous now we did see him here.
Tell him thanks with the psalms. The little spotlight couldn't cancel the dark. I wish I could undo the past, but the memories undo my back. Strapped so we don't sleep. Oh, them when I don't claim. Tired of R.I.P. Yo, we miss a play hide and seek. Yo, take back the cash, take back the fame. Me and keep the fire, father, son, and stop the rain. Got the
Bumbo Clark.
oh, we miss this a play hide and seek.
Watch your pocket.
Yo, take back the
cash.
Take back the fame. Me a keep the fire, father, son, no stop the rain. Got the key. If me not see me brother, me cannot behave. I me never did so evil till my family change, yo. I'm not the same. And realize that even money not gonna stop the pain. Tell the clouds to give me back my tears. Tell the world, say, Slingerz.
Tell the clouds to give me back my tears. You don't know what I mean by that? You know what I mean by that? Remember saying water evaporate and turn into cloud. Tears of water. So he might tell us say in tears, him cry so much, in tears evaporate, gone up and turn clouds. So he might tell you say, yo, tell the clouds say give him back him tears. How with the blood clot?
And realize that even money not gonna stop the pain. Tell the clouds to give me back my tears. Tell the world say, Slingerz, wish life have undo, but you want enough things gone. What we wish never happen, you want enough thugs gone. Enough gone.
One father dark in the man.
Wish life have undo, but you want enough things gone.
Yes.
What we wish never happen, you want enough thugs pass. We travel a rough path. Yo, Slingerz, we in a darkness from early. So me end up in a war when no concern me.
Whoa.
Me say family but some my fam turn snitch. Me no walk palm bridge cause everyone burning. No me say nobody quit, this is
Man say me no walk palm bridge cause everyone burning. Now where the bomb buckler?
me no walk palm bridge cause me say family but some my fam turn snitch. Me no walk palm bridge cause everyone burning. No me say nobody quit, this is a long journey. Enough boy fit dead but the trouble not worth it. I try.
Yeah man, enough of them for drop man, enough of them for get them face leaking. But guess what? Them not hurt it a bomb buckler. Hold it here, but yeah.
Long journey. Enough boy fit dead but the trouble not worth it. I try clean now cause my past dirty. Can't count people with pussy clot hurt me. I already say fuck love, why start searching? Wish me coulda press a button and see star around me. Still I got smile though all lonely. I'm in a try crowd thing. Yo Slingerz, wish life have undo, but you want enough things gone. What we wish never happen, you want enough thugs gone. Enough gone. Hear me now. Wish life have undo, but you want enough things gone. What we wish never happen, you want enough thugs pass. We travel a rough path, but Jaja give me strength for me continue walk. Tell him thanks with the psalms. The little spotlight couldn't cancel the dark. I wish I could undo the past, but the memories undo my back. Strapped so we don't sleep, oh, them when I don't claim. Tired of R.I.P. Yo, happiness a play hide and seek.
Happiness a play hide and seek. Oh, buckler. One law. Never two. Not that. Now you a different dog. Alien brain, bro. Out of this world, literally, dog. Yeah, so, yo. This is sad, man. This is sad. This is a Bashi daughter. Jeez. I tell you, boy. R.I.P. to the young ones, them. Yo! Labas, bro. Labas. What can I say, bro? What the fuck can I say? Like, what do I want me to say, brother? I love us this, man. I've nothing to say, dog. I love us this. You guys let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this one, bro. This, I love us, bro. Like, what the fuck me I gonna say? I love us, bro. Man, I have nothing to say. Big up on yourself. Love us. Big up yourself, my G. Slingerz, big up yourself. Undo button. Much official music video. Bad. I'll catch you guys in the next one, though. Peace.
Young King attack again in a J Prince. I'm represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.